Hey everybody, it's Dan for Numerical Lion, my YouTube channel, and where I use gematria to reveal the false reality in which we live in. This story comes today on December 26th. Happy Boxing Day to everybody. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy holidays to everybody out there. Typhoon Phanfone kills at least 16 as it hits the Philippines on Christmas Day. More murder and destruction on a day that honors Saturn, Saturnalia. So it kills at least 16, and that's interesting because Phanfone. So if you write out 16, it equals 33. Also 93, that number of Saturn. And Phanfone equals 137, which is the 33rd prime number. So there's the relationship between Phanfone and 16. That's why they're saying there are 16 dead. So let's read the story a little more. A typhoon that lashed the central Philippines on Christmas Day has killed at least 16 people and caused damage to homes and tourist areas. Typhoon Phanfone, known locally as Typhoon Ursula. Why are they calling it Ursula? More about the numbers, really, than anything else. Ursula, 61, just like Christmas. It happened on Christmas, 205, like 25, like death. Christmas, 61. Also 70, like the Philippines. I'll show you that. Show you Christmas. If I could spell. Christmas 61, see that? And Typhoon Ursula 61. And the Philippines also 70, just like Typhoon Ursula, right? And if you just say it's Ursula, what is that, 43? And 70 just like the Philippines, 20 like death, 43 like killing, right? Death, 25. So let's get back to the decode here, or the story. So it first made landfall in eastern Samar province on Tuesday, bringing heavy rain and storm surges. It hit the equivalent of a Category 1 hurricane, packing sustained winds of 150 miles an hour, or 93, that number of Saturn. Remember, 16 dead, supposedly. 16, if you write out 16, it equals 93. With gusts of 195 kilometers, or 121 per hour, and I'll show you why that is interesting. So, disrupted travel plans, hit the Philippines. Notice this video is a minute 4 or 14. Dead is 14. Also 22. This happened on a day with 22 numerology. Let's get to the decode. I'll show you. That's the first thing. It hit on a day with 76 and 22 numerology. 12 plus 25 plus 20 plus 19 is 76. And 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9 is 22. And that's interesting because Typhoon equals 76. Happened on a day with 76 numerology. 76 a blood sacrifice number too. And 22, Typhoon 22. So how appropriate, the name of the typhoon that hit 79, Phanfone. And it hit the Philippines, also 79 in single reduction where S is 10. No coincidence there. And 79 is special because it's the 22nd prime number and happened on a day with 22 numerology, right? And Typhoon equals 22. 22, the master builder number. Also, murder equals 79. Murder 79, also 38, just like Christmas. Happened on Christmas, 38. Also death, 38. So to hit the Philippines on a day with 56 numerology on Christmas, 12 plus 25 plus 19 is 56. And how appropriate. Look at Christmas in Philippines. 56 and 133. 133 and 56. Make it bigger. Christmas 56. 133. 5 and 6 is 11. Right? Philippines 133. And with gusts of 195 kilometers per hour or 121. Remember I was talking about blood sacrifice. Blood sacrifice 121. Also 76, right? And typhoon equals 76, and it happened on a day with 76 numerology. You know, blood sacrifice 121, 76 happened on a day with 76 numerology. 121, the square root is 11. 5 and 6 is 11, remember? And it's a blood sacrifice for Christmas. Christmas 110 or 11. Numerology, you drop the 0. So just more, storms by the numbers on this day. On Saturnalia. If you type in Saturnalia, that's what Christmas is all about. Look up Saturnalia if you want to know more. Look at that. Sacrifice, kill 44, sacrifice 73. Ritual sacrifice happens on this day. Ritual sacrifice 73 and 154, just like Saturnalia. See that? It's the reverse. And ritual sacrifice also has this 107 number and this, and Saturnalia has this 44 number. Makes me think of the military. Also ritual, also blood sacrifice 257, the 55th prime, just like military. Who's able to make these storms? Who's able to increase these storms? Well, there's something called HARP up in Alaska, which I've talked about on my channel, and other people have talked about how the weather can be modified. And it has been for a very long time. We don't know what Mother Nature is doing. We don't know if it's really Mother Nature or the hand of the elite steering these storms. So that does it. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your day. My name's Dan. Please subscribe. Check out others in the truth seeking community. Of course, Zachary K. Hubbard, Shagozi Truth, Simple Truth TV, Derek Takuri with Gematria 85, and Dan Barrett as well. Thanks so much for your support.